Ever wondered how React makes web app lightning fast and super smooth? It's all about Virtual DOM. If you are coding web app in 2025, the Virtual DOM is that one friend who always has your back, fast, reliable, and doesn't hog the CPU. Today I will break it down, explore its benefit, and share the latest insight from the React ecosystem. Stick around to uncover what it is and why it's matter, and how it powers the modern web development in 2025. So, what is the Virtual DOM? Imagine the document object model or DOM as a blueprint of your web page. Every time something changes, like a button click or new data, it's update the DOM. But updating the real DOM directly is slow and resource heavy. Here, the React's Virtual DOM comes into the picture. Think of it as a sketchpad where React plans out changes before touching the actual web page. When you update your app, React compares the Virtual DOM's new state to its previous state, figure out what's the changes, and only updates those specific parts in the real DOM. This process called reconciliation. This is what makes React so fast. Why should you care? Because speed is life. In 2025, React benchmark says Virtual DOM apps rendered updates 30x faster than old school DOM, the traditional DOM manipulation methods. This means smoother user experience, especially for complex apps like dashboard or e-commerce platform. Plus, it saves developers time. Instead of manually tweaking the DOM, React handles the heavy lifting, letting you focus on building awesome features. And with React 90's latest optimization, like improved reconciliation algorithms, the Virtual DOM is more powerful than ever. Let's see it in action. Like this website, I built it with React. When you search for an icon, React doesn't rebuild the entire page. Instead, it updates the Virtual DOM with new data. React's diffing algorithm compares the new Virtual DOM to the old one. Only the change part, like the icon tab, gets updated in the real DOM. This selective updating or minimal diffing keeps things blazing fast. In React 19, released in mid-2025, the diffing process is even smarter, handling concurrent rendering and suspense better than ever, making apps feel like seamless even under heavy loads. Time to squash some Virtual DOM rumors. First, the Virtual DOM isn't magic, it's a clever optimization. It doesn't eliminate DOM updates, it just makes them smarter. Second, it's not unique to React. Libraries like Pre-React and Solid.js use similar concept, but React's implementation is most widely adopted, powering over 40% of web apps in 2025. Lastly, the Virtual DOM isn't always the answer for every app. Simple static site might not need it, but for dynamic and interactive apps, it's a must. And that's the Virtual DOM, React's secret sauce for building fast, scalable, and user-friendly web apps. What's your favorite React feature? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.